coffee painting, and hope you liked it. And today we are going to do a new decorative piece for the festival which is coming, Diwali, base for the lamp using a disc. We can use this as a base and decorate it. Is a disc, then a fevicol bottle and acrylic paints, any color of your choice, and a flat brush for painting, a scissors to cut the bead chain, and a stick to adjust the bead, and different kinds of beads, and even kundan stones can be used. First, we are going to do the painting work on the disc. Acrylic paint. Just tap it and just apply. Paint it fully with acrylic paint. Just leave it for drying just 10 minutes and then we'll start the bead work. Wish you all a very happy Diwali with Amma's blessings and a beautiful and wonderful year ahead. Om Sakthi.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel and don't forget to like and share.